Hey, Paige. Hey, guys. If you're wondering what your leader is up to today, hey, I am doing a Pampered Chef unboxing.
You're holding it. Let me do it.
Let's see what's in here. Oh, your favorite Paige. This is the family-sized microwave popcorn maker. Can't wait to try this sucker out. Hey, Chef's Tongue, the Chef's Tongue. And this was for a free gift. That's always nice.
Here, I can.
Mom's behind the camera. Right. Sometimes I just have to rip something open with my bare hands.
Pasta cooker.
Looks exactly the same as the first one.
Which, like, makes sense.
There's something missing though.
Yeah, check the, Oh, that's gonna come in 2 to 3 weeks. It's still back ordered.
Kale packets.
Yeah. But they shipped what they could, so that's cool.
Yeah, well, coronavirus is screwing up everyone's schedule.
You don't have to push it on my foot.
Paige, can you hand me the knife?
You don't need the knife.
I needed to get the plastic off.
Or you need a page, whatever.
Nice and pristine.
Yeah, let's see that popcorn maker.
Hmm?
See that popcorn maker.
Looks to be just barely big enough.
Right, yeah, I don't know. It looks pretty small for the amount of popcorn we make.
Let me look at the instructions for this sucker.
Is that the buttercup on there? Yeah.
But okay, you just gotta open it.
Sure.
Put the lid on. How is this a popcorn maker?
Well, you put the popcorn in the bottom, apparently. Then you stick your butter in the butter cup and throw it in the microwave and see what happens.
Can I try it with my popcorn?
Well, you can't really try it with bagged popcorn. You have to try it. It's with
But I can
just
cut
loose
it
kernels.
open.
I don't think that's a good idea.
I don't know if that's recommended or not. Let's just try it with according to the instructions first.
And I got them right here.
It's impossible to put this on. I can't put it on. I think you need it to be down to put the lid on.
That doesn't.
I can't close it though.
I don't know. Let Paul read the instructions. Let me see.
But I can't close it.
Here, hold on.
Paige is behind the camera now.
Yeah.
Okay.
You just have to kind of
Step 1. It said before we actually get to that, it says wash prior to first
Okay, it
use.
doesn't close very tightly. It just sets on there.
All components are dishwasher safe on the top rack.
Yay.
Do not wash bowl in collapsed position after using. Allow to fully cool before cleaning. You do not clean with bleach, scouring powders, or creams, or metal or scouring pads. This can damage the surface. Step 1. Fully extend the bowl from the collapsed position. 2. Measure kernels in the top cup.
Oh, okay. So you measure this amount of kernels. Then you dump them in.
Yeah, pour 2. You're supposed to use 2 cups of those is into the bowl. Okay. Spread the kernels evenly over the bottom of the bowl. Place the lid on the bowl. Place the top cup in the lid opening. If desired, add oil or butter to the top cup. Note, the butter may brown, which creates a nutty flavor.
You give it a try?
I say we try it.
Yeah. Place
the bowl offset on the turntable in the microwave. Make microwave based on the second method. Listen to chart below. For best results, listen for popping this little one. Just 2 seconds between pops. Use 7 minutes to remove the bowl from the microwave and remove the lid. Move the lid away from your body to avoid steam. For consecutive batches, wipe the bowl with a clean cloth prior to each new batch. After cleaning, place the bowl on the counter and push down to collapse for storage.
Seems pretty nifty. Let's see how it works.
Does anybody here speak Spanish?
I don't need to read the Spanish instructions.
Yeah.
Right, this is already 7 minutes long. I don't know if it's...
Oh, I've uploaded videos longer than that.
Okay.
And so I'm not concerned, but thanks anyways.
It's still recording.
Okay.
Can I cut this? I'll cut this.
I'm trying to open the tongs.
Here, let me.
Don't slice the rubber or your skin.
Right.
I could probably open it without a knife.
Can I see those, Paige? And then you show me.
It is impossible to hold a pair of tongs without... Exactly.
You don't need instructions to.
Well, he needs to know how to clean it, so...
Okay.
He does.
Spanish, French, German, and English. Okay, cleaning and wash prior to first use. Dishwasher safe. Use to unlock tongs. Point tips down toward floor. Squeeze handles together. Release to open. To lock tongs, point up towards ceiling. Squeeze handles together and release. Seal illustration 2. Ooh. So fun. Guarantee 3-year guarantee for non-commercial use. For sales receipt for details. Alright, no. Where are the instructions for the microwave pasta cooker?
Still in the box? Maybe? Where's the box?
Hey, I need that top part. Well, I'm already pretty familiar with the use of this thing.
Yeah.
I mean, they're dishwasher safe. They've washed it before first use. Also, make sure the lid is secure.
Works better if it's on a counter.
Like this.
Yeah.
Mom, can you make dinner?
Well, I don't know.
Can I have the camera?
Yep.
And that's the contents of today's package. Before I go, remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe to both of our channels, mine and hers.
Do they know mine?
I think they do.
Well, some people are new.
What's your page? Paige?
Mine is Pain, Hay, Arts, and Play.
Mine's General Isopod.
As you can see.
Alright, there's plenty of, oh, here's the instructions.
Oh, thank you.
We just told you the instructions.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah. Yep, same as last time.
Which is like a year ago.
That is so fun to do with the tongs.
Where did they go?
This is your leader, the General, signing off now.